What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys seen on the title, we are gonna be making some sugar cookies. I made a mixed drink, so it's gonna be a fun time. We're gonna make ice cream sandwiches. And these are the sugar cookie mix that I'm gonna be making. It is the Funfetti, which is my favorite cake brand. The drinks are kicking in. It's really easy to make, and I'm gonna show you guys what you guys need. Oh, there's a little thingy. Okay, let's do a smell test. No, it doesn't smell like anything. I thought it was gonna smell like sweet and like sugar cookie-ish, but no. It just smells like flour. So the cool thing about this one is that it has like, I would say little candies, not little candies, little sprinkles in it. So, it said 1 tablespoon of water and 2 tablespoons of butter, which I've never used the butter sticks, but I have a butter stick, so I'm assuming each line is a tablespoon. I hope that's what I think it is. So if I'm wrong, these cookies are gonna come out like trash. So I'm gonna I'm gonna finish my whole drink. Now we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna cut it right here. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. Okay. I've never done this before, so we're gonna cut, where did I cut down? Okay, I'm gonna cut down the line. That is 2 tablespoons. Okay, and then it also said a tablespoon of water, which I already measured it out, like those bougie cooking channels where they just pre-measure everything. So I don't know if I add it all at the same time. I'm assuming because, yeah, it should. Okay, so we're gonna add the 1 tablespoon, and now we're gonna get to mixing. This is what it looks like. It turned into a dough, so I'm almost done, or I think I'm actually done, but you guys really have to trust the process because I thought it wasn't enough water until I started like really going in there with the fork, and then yeah, it turned into a dough. But now I'm like debating if I should put some M&Ms in here, make it a little M&M ice cream sandwich. I actually don't even think I have M&Ms, but that would have been really, really good to add. So I think this sugar cookie mixture is done. It's a success. And now I can start forming it into little balls and then put it on a tray. I'm barely on the 4th ball and I'm out of dough. Like, I only have 1 more. So technically, if you make the cookies a little bit bigger, like a normal size cookie, you have 5 balls. So 5 cookies. Shoot. So that means I only have 2 ice cream sandwiches, and then the cookie, I have to split it in half. But this is false advertisement. Yeah, I really don't know how they made 12 cookies. They probably made them super tiny. But anyway, the oven is ready. So I'm gonna pop these things in for, it says 8 to 10 minutes or until edges are set. Okay, so I'm gonna put a timer for 9 minutes just to be in the middle of things. So I'm gonna put this for 9 minutes and then we'll check back when they're ready. So the cookies are now done. The timer, I put it in for like 10 minutes and the timer beeped. So I'm gonna get all of my stuff. Let's pull it out. Ow, this thing's hot. And I'm gonna let the cookies cool for about like 3 minutes and then we'll start playing. Alright, you guys, so I moved the camera down here so that you guys can see it a little bit better, but the cookies have cooled down. This is the ice cream that I'm gonna be using, which is the mint chip. Little fun fact, I used to work at Baskin Robbins and I hated mint chip. I don't know why. But then once, as I started working there a lot, this became my favorite ice cream, especially in a smoothie. or just by itself. So this, ooh, you guys, this is such a pretty color. So I can't wait for that. So I think my cookies are ready. They kind of look gooey, but they do look so good. So I'm gonna get these 2 cookies. Wow, you guys, this looks perfect. They are a bit warm, so I'm kind of scared if it's gonna melt the ice cream, but this thing's pretty tough. So on this side, I'm gonna be a little bit extra today, and I have some sprinkles. Where are they? These are sprinkles, and then some blue sugar just to tie in with the mint chip ice cream. So I'm gonna move, is this thing still hot? No. Okay, I'm gonna move these cookies, and then we're gonna start scooping. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna get a big scoop. All right. So we're gonna scoop like that. We're gonna put it on the bottom one. Okay. And then let's squish it. Wow. Ooh, these look bomb. These look fire. Okay, we're gonna do that. Roll it in that. That is what it looks like. You guys, these look so bomb. Okay. So I'm just gonna do one side. I don't want it to be super, super sweet, but I think it looks really cool with this like teal color ice cream. Is that teal color? It's like a blue-green. Okay, so now is the time for the taste test, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Everything is still warm, so ooh, this looks so good. All right, I don't know which side to bite it on. The cookies are a lot tougher. Oh my gosh. The cookies are a lot tougher than I expected. I thought it was gonna be like a gooey, like a soft cookie, but no. You guys heard the crunch. This thing was freaking crunchy. It was really, really sweet. I can't even eat it. The whole thing is like falling apart, so I'm just gonna have the ice cream. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of me making ice cream sandwiches. If you guys did, you guys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.